Hey everyone in DC! Are you ready to make a change that benefits both your wallet and the environment? Are you tired of those sky-high electricity bills that seem to climb higher every month? It can be frustrating to see so much of your hard-earned money going towards energy costs. Ready to slash them in half and go green without spending a single dime? Imagine cutting your electricity bills by 50% while also contributing to a healthier planet. I'm here to share an incredible opportunity that's transforming homes across our city. This is not just about saving money, it's about being part of a movement towards sustainable living. Switching to solar can cut your electricity costs by up to 50%. Think about what you could do with all that extra cash. Plus, you'll be doing your part for a cleaner, greener DC. By reducing your carbon footprint, you're helping to ensure a healthier environment for future generations. And here's the best part. With our program, going solar can also mean getting a brand new roof absolutely free. That's right, a new roof at no cost to you. That's right, there are no upfront payments, no hidden fees, and we even cover installation and maintenance for 20 years. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your energy system is taken care of for 2 decades. No upfront payments, no hidden fees, and we even cover installation and maintenance for 20 years. This means you can enjoy the benefits of solar energy without any financial stress. This program is specifically designed to make solar accessible to everyone in DC, regardless of income. We believe that everyone should have the opportunity to benefit from clean energy. Whether you're a homeowner or a renter, there's a solar option for you. Our flexible programs ensure that everyone can participate in this green revolution. We have programs for income-qualified residents, and even if you don't own your roof, you can still benefit through Community Solar. Community Solar allows you to share in the benefits of solar energy without needing to install panels on your own property. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. This is your chance to make a positive impact on your finances and the environment. Go solar today and start saving money while making a difference. The sooner you switch, the sooner you start saving. Call us now for a free consultation or visit our website to learn more. Our team is ready to help you every step of the way. Let's make DC a shining example of clean, affordable energy. Together, we can lead the way in sustainable living and show the world what's possible.